Hey kids, Math here. Got a short video here on navigation within Canvas. And you're saying, hey, we already know how to navigate within Canvas. Well, they've changed the pages a little bit, and I just want to take you through some simple things. Very short, very sweet. I've got 4 major buttons for you. We're going to try and keep navigation very simple. All right, we have agenda, syllabus, Zoom, and current module. Agenda is simply that. It's our weekly agenda. It's going to have a little bit different look this year because we have a different school schedule. I'm only going to be seeing you guys 3 days per week. And so if we click down here on August 21st, that second week of school is our full week, 17 through 21, but I'm only going to see you 3 days. So on day 1, we'll do the density lab. There's your homework. Day 2, these days will be different for each section, but we're going to treat it like day 1, day 2, and day 3. We'll see. I think it's going to work out really well with the way 4th period and 6th period are laid out. This is going to be no problem for us. So that's where your weekly agenda is, what you're doing, where it is. We're not supposed to be putting any hyperlinks in there, so that's just the bare bones of it. Syllabus is basically course information. I'm not going to click on that. It's a text file that you guys can read at your leisure. It's basically saying here's what we're going to learn, and we're going to talk about a lot of that stuff on the first day of school. Zoom is pretty important for you guys because for our virtual as well as non-virtual, or maybe soon to be virtual people, we don't know, this is the access to my private Zoom, my personal Zoom meeting. It's not private. It's a personal Zoom room that I've set up through the school. So when you come to AP Chem class, you click on that. That's going to fire up. I'm going to open up my Zoom room, and boom, you'll be in here with us on this same camera, pointed around, looking at me, looking at them, and being a part of the class, hopefully just like you're here. Just keep in mind, if you're in here and you're Zooming, it's going to be tough for me to see, tough for me to hear when you guys are in the room. So I really need you guys to speak up and be loud for me. All right, that's the Zoom button. And then the last one is the current module button. And modules is going to be where all of our good stuff is. That's how they want us navigating. And so within modules, that's where you're going to see all the content, all the course information. So this first one is just a documents module. That's got a lot of, as I said, documents, got a lot of good stuff in it. But if I scroll down here and it keeps up, in chapter 1 and 2, dimensional analysis, my modules are broken up into 3 different sections: content, practice, and assessment. Content has merely that information you need. See those chapter 1 and 2 notes? Why did I jump all the way down there? Holy moly. Come back. See those chapter 1 and 2 notes? Those are golden. Those are the notes that we will be going over in class and using. Everything after that is, information, good information, but nothing like those notes. Those notes are golden. Practice section is merely that. It's worksheets. They're practices. There's going to be a worksheet, and there's probably going to be a key that's after it. Are these assignments? No, they're practices. The assignments are going to come further down when we get to the assessments. And the assessment will have the homeworks in it. A lot of our homeworks may be coming from either WebAssign, or they may be coming also from worksheets or problems out of your book. So that's what will be happening. All of our navigation within the course, all of our content, our course really lives within this module. So that's how you use those. I've got AP Chemistry broken down into 4 easy buttons for you guys to navigate. I don't think this is going to be too hard to get around in the course, but if you guys can think of improvements, I'm more than willing to listen. I'm Smath, and I hope this video helped you.